Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to review the electric scooter Windgoo model M20. The first thing that we are going to see is the unboxing, and then we will see what we need to do before the first ride. We just need to put two screws. We will check the specs of the scooter and we will put it on test. How powerful is the motor? How well it brakes? Is it comfortable? We are going to try to answer all these questions. We will see as well how to charge it, what distance we can do with a single full charge. So let's get started. Before the first ride, the first thing we need to do is to insert the handlebar into the tube and screw two bolts that came in the box with the Allen key into the scooter. Remove the protecting plastics. The scooter is good looking and solid. The materials looks durable, high quality on most of the materials that we have here. It doesn't have front suspension but has wide inflatable wheels. The scooter platform is wide, so there is plenty space for your feet, and this makes the scooter very comfortable. I mean, if I compare with my two previous scooters, the Xiaomi 1 and the Speedway 4. Click on the car now to see the video. This scooter has a single motor on the back wheel with 350 watts of power, and it has a dual rear suspension to make your ride more comfortable. The front and the back brakes are mechanic disc brakes, which works very well, but let's see on the braking test. The folding mechanism is very simple. You just need to press the red button and pull down the bar. Now you can fold the scooter and fix the handlebar to the platform using the hook. This way you can transport the scooter, go up or downstairs to the metro and continue your journey.
It is comfortable, but this comes at a price. This scooter is quite heavy. It weighs almost like one of my electric bikes, more than 20 kilos. I think it's heavy for a scooter, but okay, if you want this kind of comfortable scooter, you need to pay this price unless you spend a lot more money in lighter materials, I guess. Let's see how it works. To turn it on, you just hold the button a few seconds. Good. You can select the speed. Okay, you have mode 1, 2 and 3. Then if you want to access the menu, you hold both arrows at the same time. We have parameter 0. We can change from kilometers hours to miles per hour. Okay, I'm going to leave it in kilometers hour. Parameter 1, we can select if we want to see the trip or the odometer.
The parameter A is set to 1 by default. This means that the scooter will not start to accelerate until we reach 4 kilometers hours. To do that, you need to do a small kick. To avoid that, I set the parameter A to 0, and then the scooter immediately accelerates. When the parameter B is set to 1, the cruise control is enabled, and when the parameter B is set to 0, the cruise control is disabled.
Then if you want to leave the menu, you hold both buttons again, and to turn it off, you just hold the power button. It has cruise control. Okay, max speed is 25 kilometers hour. To turn on the light, you just need to press this button. Now they are turned on. It has the front light and the rear light. This is very important if you are riding at night, and where you are braking, the lights blinks, and the same if it's turned on. When you are braking, it blinks.
Let's do a test on complete darkness to see if we can safely ride this scooter at night. The scooter lights are not as bright as the car lights, but I think they are enough to go like 20 kilometers hour. It's fine. I wouldn't go faster on the complete darkness if you are riding. But if you are riding in the city with the street lights, these lights are enough for the cars to see you, which is the most important part. I think you can see about 6-7 meters in front of you perfectly.
The bell sound is really present. The maximum inclination that I can do at 10 kilometers hour is like 4-5 degrees of inclination. Okay, 5, almost 6. Here, 2, 1. Yes, I would say this is something like near 6. So 6 is the maximum I can do with 10 kilometers. Yes, I'm getting 9 kilometers, 10 kilometers. This one is not very stiff, 10 kilometers. Okay, now I'm going to test the braking distance. Yup. Whoa, it brakes almost immediately. Okay, 22.
From 22 kilometers hour to 0 in 1 second. It took only 2 or 3 meters to brake.
Need to adjust a little bit the rear brake so I get more power. Okay, it's very easy, it's like a bicycle.
Now braking only with the rear brake.
22, 23. Okay, I can feel that it's helping with the motor when I brake this way.
I've been testing the scooter off-road and works fine if the road is not very technical.
I'm 1.87 m and the handlebar height seems good for me, it's comfortable. And I weigh 85 kilograms. Maybe for me it's not power enough, this scooter. In order to start using the scooter, you need to do an initial kick and then you can press the accelerator. If you just press the accelerator, it will not work unless you change the parameter. I don't think that I would ever bring the Xiaomi off-road like this, but this one is quite okay, it's performing fine. It is not a mountain bike, but okay, you can go a little bit off-road, no issue. Well, I think this is a well-made scooter. The frame is very durable, solid. The only thing, I will make it more powerful, and then we will enter another category. I think with 500 euros, something like cost this scooter, you cannot do it better. More powerful, then you need more money. It's okay. But if you want a scooter for a starter, maybe this is your option because it's not super powerful. If you live in a flat city, it's okay. If you are living in a town with a lot of hills, then don't go for this scooter. But if you live in a flat area, no problem. You can reach 25 kilometers more or less easily. But if there are hills, you are going to go very slow or you are not going to be able to go up the hills. If comfortable to ride, it has wide wheels, it brakes amazingly good, and it has suspension. For 500 euros, amazing deal, except for the powerful. I will make it a little bit more powerful, but... Okay, I got it fully charged. Okay, here we have the charger. Okay, I brought the scooter fully charged to a more or less plain terrain, and we are going to test what is the range of this scooter. So I'm going to run on the scooter until the battery is completely depleted, and we will see the distance. And for that, I prepare the Garmin that we are going to set, and then we will know the distance and all other parameters about the ride. Okay, let's start it. Okay, full battery. All right, let's go. Okay, 18 kilometers, a bit of a slope here. Okay, 15 on the slope. And now we are flat. Let's see what the speed and how much it takes to get to the maximum speed. 21, 22. $23. Okay, I want to test how much time takes to get in flat surface to 20 kilometers. Okay, we're going to do the test. Let's go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18, 19, 20. So
I checked the video and took 14 seconds
21.
to get to 20 kilometers an hour.
Okay, let's continue riding.
The three modes of the scooter is to control the maximum speed. In mode 1, the maximum speed is 6 km hour, in mode 2, 15 km hour, and in mode 3, 25 km hour.
Okay, 2.4, and I lost the first bar of battery. Still having 4 of them. Okay, 4.6 kilometers. I lost the second bar, 3 bars remaining. Okay, 7.4 kilometers, 2 bars left. Okay, 11.5 kilometers. I got the last bar. Well, now it's recovered and it's marking again 2 bars, but yeah, I don't feel that I have lost any power. Now it's the last bar. Okay, 12 kilometers we are going to get. Let's see how lasts the last bar. Well, before I get no battery, the scooter is marking 14 kilometers, but the Garmin is saying 12.45, so not properly calibrated at all. Not very well calibrated. 13 kilometers and I feel that it has started to lose power. Okay, now it started to blink the last bar of the battery and it doesn't have any power left. I'm on flat surface now, 13 kilometers, 13, 14, this is quite flat and not working at all. Okay, so 14 kilometers on the Garmin I got. That is all.
The battery lasted for 14 kilometers. I did this distance in 1 hour at an average speed of 14 kilometers per hour with a total elevation of 133 meters.
Well, one of the questions that I usually get is it's possible to use the scooter without the battery. Going down is okay. Yes, no problem, I don't feel much resistance. Going up, for sure not. And in flat, well, you can use your leg and, well, I don't know if it's harder than walking, maybe not, but not like a normal scooter. So, it's fine, but going down, it's okay. I hope this video has been useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.